Mastering future tense, the magic of should. Hello, language explorers. In today's video, we will delve into a fascinating part of the English language, the simple future tense with modals, specifically focusing on the usage of the modal verb, should. This may seem complex, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of this topic. So, first things first, let's understand what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are special types of verbs that we use to indicate likelihood, ability, permission, and obligation. Examples of modals include can, may, must, will, and of course, should. Today, we're looking at should and how it works in the simple future tense. The word should is a powerhouse. It's used to talk about future events or situations that are likely to happen, advice, or recommendations. It's your go-to word when you want to express something that is not certain but is quite probable. When it comes to the simple future tense, should is used to express a future event that is likely to occur, but isn't certain. It's usually followed by a verb in its base form. For example, you should arrive at the station by 10 a.m. In this sentence, the speaker believes the person will probably arrive by 10 a.m., but it isn't guaranteed. Should is also commonly used to give advice or make recommendations about the future. This use can be seen in sentences like, "You should drink more water. It's good for your health." Here, the speaker is giving advice for a healthier future. Now let's discuss how we can construct sentences with should. Remember, the structure is typically subject plus should plus base form of verb plus rest of the sentence. For example, I should finish my homework before dinner. I is the subject, should is the modal, finish is the base form of the verb, and my homework before dinner is the rest of the sentence. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of should in the simple future tense. As you can see, this little word is quite powerful and versatile in shaping the way we express our thoughts about the future. Practice using should in your everyday conversations or writings, and soon, you'll be a pro. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Until next time, happy learning!